All right. You guys ready for a trade? That's why we're hanging out. This was really, really awesome that somebody put under a YouTube channel. When Jonathan gets excited about something, pay close attention. He made me $77,000 in 3 weeks when he got excited about Serpent, SRPT. Very, very cool trade. 150 likes, we'll always get a trade. And here we go. What do we like? Let's talk trading. You ready? All right, here's going to be our trade of the day, guys, and it's going to be an interesting one. I just came back from traveling. I was traveling. I was in DC for 3 days, and then I was in New York for 2 days. And I was taking Ubers and I was taking Lyfts all over the place. Here's what I think is going to happen. Here's Uber. I think, and there's a cool conversation on Twitter, I think by Jason Kalinakis, about Uber and its potential, and one of the hyperscalers who are not involved in automated vehicles to come and purchase Uber. And so right now it's a $150 billion valuation. I think Uber is closer to a $300 billion valuation. And I think as automated vehicles get more and more and closer to real life, and yes, Tesla is going to have their robo-taxis. It is a layup for Amazon to come in. They have so much money, or Apple or somebody like that to come in and have all the exposure that Uber has. I think it's just a matter of time. And I do think it's going to happen in 2026 that Uber gets acquired. And I think Uber gets acquired for $150. I think Uber is worth twice as much at these levels than it's valued at right now. I love being long Uber stock. I'm also going to pull up the options right now. Does this make sense? $150 billion company. They control ride sharing. They're doing really good in food delivery. One of the hyperscalers come in as automated driving and just takes hold of them. Don't look now, but Poet is moving up. Joe, are you in our Discord, bud? We've been talking about Poet for a long time. Don't look now. Wasn't it up like a ton on Friday and Thursday? Uber. I like Uber. I think Uber is going to get taken out before the end of the year. How to play it in options. Also, if you don't like this idea, guys, I would just take a big fat pass. If you do like this idea, hang with me. Let's find something cool. We need time. I think we need to get through the new year. I like these. $3, 310, under 310. Cool thing about this trade, you get to hold it for 242 days. If you end up buying the hundreds, it's $320 of risk. You can work your order, use a limit order, but your trade is Uber, guys. I think Uber is going to get bought. Okay, that's what I got, guys. Uber. What we always do, guys, is that we break off to our all access. Everybody in our all access, please hang tight. We'll be right back.